Hey, it's me Nikki and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to slay with another makeup look and we're using Ring the Alarm palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is a look that I did for today, kind of like what I did for my birthday. Got a lot of requests for it, so I decided to make a video. So first off, you know that I always start with Tarte on the lid so that I can lighten up the darkness on my skin and the colors will really pop. Spread it out nice and neat so that when you apply the color, it is going to stick to it. That's why I don't put any setting powder on it. Once it's smoothed out, I'm going to get the flat brush that's used for eyeliner, but I use it to create whatever look it is I'm going to go for. It really sculpts it. I'm getting that dark brown from the palette, and I'm going to start creating how I'm going to round it off and just apply. And I'm just going off of the crease of my eye, and then I'm going to take it a bit higher. And I just keep applying it. I'm not worried about blending it right now. Right now it's just setting the shape of what I'm going for. I love winged out cut creases, but lately I've been going off for this rounded off cut crease that I'm really enjoying. Kind of looks like a halo. And I'm going to go in with the next color that's going to go on top of that dark brown. So I have a little trouble blending on this eye, but what I do is I'll lay the color right on top of that brown, but you'll see that I have to go over and over it. I don't like it to look too harsh. I try to get it as blended as I possibly can, but as you see, that brown is just stuck there and you can just see that harsh line. So I'll just apply that color that I'm going on top of it with over the brown until it dulls down a little bit, just to get it a more blended out looking look that I'm going for, just to make it look a little smoother, I guess. Then with another clean brush, I'm gonna blend out the top color and kind of fade it out towards the top. Not too high, but I'm gonna try to do this fade out with that brush. And you'll see that I apply a little more on top of that brown just to see if I can ease that harsh color, but that eye just does that for some reason. Now I am adding some concealer right where I'm going to apply the shimmery color that I'm going for, and it's going to be the gold. And I'm getting that ready. Don't look up when you're doing this because you'll get it everywhere, especially if you have hooded eyes. So I'm just creating the area that I'm about to put that gold on. Depending on the shape of the eye and if you have hooded eyes or not, that is what's going to determine how high and how wide to take it. But I'm going to come in with the gold, and I'm going to just use my finger. I'm just going to rub my finger on the gold. And excuse my dirty hands, I was painting with the color black on these shelves that I'm doing, and you'll see the DIY on that coming soon. I tried to wash my hands as much as I could, and I just could not get all of it out of my fingernails, so sorry for that. I know that bothers some people, but I'm just going to keep rubbing, and then I apply the gold. Then I get that thinner brush, put some dark brown on there, and I'm going to try to create, just to get rid of that harsh line, create a little fade out right there, coming in from the outer corner and the inner corner. That's what I'm saying. It looks like a halo. I wasn't trying to go for a halo, but it just looks like that's what it's going to turn into. But I'm totally fine with it. I loved it anyways. And I'm just doing some quick touch-ups. I went in with the black eyeliner because I always put black eyeliner so that I can have a guideline for my eyelashes. And now I'm putting concealer on the bottom of my eyes, and I'm using a lighter color than what I usually do because I'm going to put gold on that bottom eyelash, on that bottom lash line, and I want that gold to pop. And I do end up setting it with the Fit Me, and I don't know, I shouldn't have set right under on the ash line so that gold could have really stuck to it better. I noticed when I did put the powder, the gold didn't really want to stick, so next time I'm not gonna put the Fit Me to the very top. And then I'm going to grab that dark brown again and do the outer right there, and then I'm also going to do the inner. That way it'll match the top, and then I'll just connect them and worry about the blending at the very end. Right now it's just setting the colors and what it is I'm trying to do. And I'm just trying to match it up with the top so I can know when to stop and when the gold ends and when it starts. Then I grab another brush that doesn't have anything on it, and I'm just going to start blending it out so that there's not a harsh line again. And now I'm going to work on my eyelashes. once I get those babies on, I am almost done. All I need is that highlight right there, and I love that. That's my favorite one. I use that for all my looks. Do the inner corner and the brow, and that's it. I am done. Quick and easy. I really enjoyed it. I did this for my birthday as well, and I hope you like this. If you do, smash that like button and do not forget to subscribe. Really helps your girl out. Have a blessed one. I'll see you on the next one.